Yo guys, Leggy Games here and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing what I've been wanting to start but I was waiting for a little bit of money, and that's a $100 to 1 grand challenge. So that's dollars, not my native currency, pounds. So before we get into this, I'd just like to say that I am obviously not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes. Also, the market is looking slightly bearish at the moment. Although the thing is, right, compared to historical parts of the market, there's loads of signals flashing, but in my opinion, like, the market's just not literally acting, well, I would say as it should, but that's the wrong thing to say because obviously the market is very unpredictable. But normally when these signals flash, the market moves in this one direction, but we're just literally not seeing it this time. That's what I'm trying to say. So what that means is if you guys want to actually try and follow this, do be aware that probably if it continues being bearish and we see the pullbacks, we could see a drop in price, and I imagine. So my plan was to do weekly updates on this, and from the buying points, I imagine we'll go down like quite a bit. I'll happily do updates. But I definitely haven't brought a bottom here. But as I said, more for entertainment, a bit of fun. I think these coins will do okay in the long run. There's a couple choices which I'm not the most confident in project-wise, but I'll give you guys my reasoning why I actually chose these coins. So guys, if you guys don't know, I did a strategy on the top 4 coins I choose. I really went in depth into everything crypto, and if you guys are beginners watching this video, I definitely recommend going to watch it. I'll link it here. But what I said within that video is the first strategy I go for is a 50-50% Ethereum Bitcoin split, if you're not that familiar with the market. And I thought, how can I actually make this video much different to a normal challenge? So what I'm actually also going to do, I've put in $100 on Bitcoin Ethereum on that first strategy, one on normal coins and one on moonshots, to see obviously which one performs the best. So as you can see, I'll put on the screen now the amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum. We've got $50. I imagine if I brought that very recently, so it's obviously slightly different to a $50 there, but it wouldn't have changed much at all. But yeah, that's what we're looking at for this portfolio. Luckily, this was brought after the first dip. I'm not sure if the market, by the time you watch this, has dipped further. As I said, I'm imagining it will. But before we get into the second one, guys, just tell me how often you guys would like these updates. But the second one we're going to go into is what I've put top alt. So this is what I referred to in my strategy video as the top 20 altcoins, the higher cap altcoins, because I just feel like they're decent investments. They're there for a reason. But the 2 little investments I made for this one is eGold. I love eGold, and I think I really want to accumulate more in my personal holdings. I really do like it. So we only got 0.13 eGold in this, and we spent about $19 because basically I brought what I wanted for AXS, as you can see at the bottom there, and then I split the other 2 between DOT and eGold. DOT I really like because it's quite low compared to its all-time high, and that's why I chose that. And I really like DOT as a project. I think it's awesome. The one I'm not actually that confident about is Axie Infinity, but before we get into that, let's look at how much we brought DOT's price for. So we brought DOT 1.08 of a coin, and that was $19.61 we brought that for. So you're probably wondering, why did you go for Axie Infinity? So if you guys don't know, there was obviously the massive Ronin hack, so I was like, okay, so it's down because of the Ronin hack news, so there's a bit of FUD there. Is it an okay time to buy? Yes, but if Bitcoin drops like it has, it will obviously drop further, as all altcoins do. And also, Axie Infinity is related to a game, if you guys don't know, and if you type in Axie Infinity on YouTube, it seems like it's actually dying slightly. So a lot of people are quitting, selling their stuff. So that's why it's not the best investment here, in my opinion. But you're probably thinking, oh, Will, why are you just literally telling us all the really bad stuff about this? So I just thought you guys should know, but I still think what I do like about this coin, right, is as you can see at the bottom, there's a staking rewards section. And basically, if you hold Axie Infinity for a year, you can get 120% back APY from staking it. So that's the main reason, because I thought, that's 120%, and that literally does like remove the risk so much. So like your Axie Infinity can drop by half and you still hold even if you held it for a year. And also, I am hoping that Axie Infinity can bring out a new season, something new. And obviously, they still are one of the biggest NFT games out there. So, I know you've got Illuvium, which I'm heavily invested in. I'm really excited for Illuvium to come out. But I think, obviously, with games, I think they just need to get a couple tweaks. And the problem is with those sort of games is there's not actually a fun one which people can earn money at the moment. But yeah, that's my thoughts, guys. I just thought I'd literally tell you guys all my thoughts on it. Be proper transparent. Now, as you can see at the bottom, we've earned staking rewards. Obviously, I was away this weekend. I went on a rugby tour. So, basically, it says that we've earned roughly about $1 of Axie Infinity and then 3 cents of eGold. As I said, due to a market dropping, I've just staked these. Hopefully later in the year, I think that's where, if it does go up, we'll see it. But I can't say I can predict the market at the moment. Everything which everyone I follow has called has been wrong. So it's just very unpredictable, and it's an unpredictable time. So guys, we're on to the third strategy, as I included in that video, which I didn't actually cover in that video because I said as a starting investor, I wouldn't recommend it because it's very, very risky. Obviously, as all trading goes, higher risk, higher reward. And with these 3 coins, I went for coin, amount of coin, price spent, all the same. I will edit the spreadsheet slightly for the next video to have like average price, profit, etc. But obviously, because this is the initial buy-in points, I did put them in. But you've got WTK, which is WAD's Pay. I am really, really like this project. So out of these, this is the one I actually would just hold by myself and not within a trading series. So obviously not a financial advisor, like I said, but WAD's Pay, so basically they've grown their team from 4 to about 60 plus. So that just shows how quick they're growing. I think it's a brilliant team, a brilliant investment, a great idea. And yeah, I really think it is good. So that's why I put 50% of the $100 here, because I think it does have the highest room to grow as well. It just went on a run. And also, which is a really good sign, it's gone down now with this decrease in Bitcoin. But when Bitcoin last decreased, WAD's absolutely held its price brilliantly, which obviously is quite a strong thing, really. KlueCoin, they've got a lot to... they've got a development team as well, quite transparent. The main reason which interests me in this, I didn't actually know about it before JOM and my video. I won't say otherwise. But what really interested me when I saw it was that it's like literally really, really down from its all-time high, and it looks like it can't really decrease. And there's a lot of sideways movement. So when it will go up, I'm not sure, but the long sideways movement is normally quite a good sign. Now, our third choice is Cult, and this is one of the moon coins, which you're taking a complete gamble on, hoping that will get a bit of hype, which I definitely have done. It just went on a massive rally as well. The thing which I like about it is that it's not on any of the major exchanges yet. So, can it turn into one of the next meme coins? It's got enough media attraction to it, and it's got enough people talk about it on Twitter, that I can think that it can definitely be one of those coins which people look for quick profits. As a project, I'm really looking at to hold. I wouldn't say Clue and Cult are them, but WTK, I really do like its fundamentals, its project fundamentals. And if you're holding, I really think that looking for coins with strong fundamentals are very important. I know I've sort of gone against that in this video to go for a bit of a weird choices, But tell me what you guys think. Yeah, I would definitely hold different coins if I was holding, and in my personal portfolio I have. But I thought this would be a brilliant idea to do and a really fun one to do. So I'll do weekly updates. As I said, I imagine for next week will be quite down, but I'll see you guys next time. Peace.